रखा लो, बाकी सबको।
Yes, sir. Please share. Good morning, everyone. Tomorrow, our how to start your business workshop is going to start. And today we are here for the trial meeting just to discuss some do's and don'ts, as well as if any one of you or any one of your colleague is facing any problem, for example, while logging in, if they are not receiving the workshop links, any of these problems, we are here today to solve that issue, because tomorrow dot at 11 we will start with our workshop, no matter what. Today is the trial meeting, so if any one of you has any doubts regarding anything, you can please put it in a chat box or a Q&A section right away, so that we can address it today. So before we begin, I would request all of you to stand up for the national anthem.
जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा। विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा। तव शुभ नामे जागे, तव शुभ आशीष मांगे। गाहे तव जय गाथा, जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे।
Thank you.
Thank you. So this workshop is...
So welcome to all, dear
yes,
participants. This is the 4-day workshop on how to start a business. So this the mode of this workshop will be English, Hindi and English mix-up. If you have any difficulty in understanding, just please raise your hand, or you can type in a chat box. Okay. So this is the 4 days workshop. Starts from 25th and ends at on 28th. That is Monday. So this workshop is conducted by Slipwell Foundation, Wiki FLO Group, and Knowledge Partner Matrix Certifications. Okay, Pragya, go ahead.
yeah. So next slide, do's. So there are certain do's and don'ts of the workshop. I will begin with the do's. First, install Zoom app in your mobile or laptop. Because you will be receiving a link in your email IDs, you need to download this Zoom app. So please do that. Please register with the same email ID from which you joined the workshop on Zoom. This is the most important point, as we can see a lot of participants are with the same name. For example, Gauri Kasturkar, there are a lot of names and a lot of participants have joined with that particular link only. So one, you have to register with the correct email ID. You need to make it sure that the email IDs that you're putting is correct. There is no mistake in that, so that you will receive link every day, reminder mail every day, and you need to log in from your respective email, the link you will be receiving in your email ID, not from anyone else's link. Directly join by clicking on the link sent to you, your registered email ID. So I will repeat again, you will be receiving a workshop link on your registered email ID. You need to click on that and then you will automatically get logged into the workshop. Log in to the system 30 minutes before the start of the workshop. So you need to make sure that if the workshop is starting by 11, you need to make sure that your login, the portal will get, the portal will be on by 10 o'clock. So from 10 till 10:30, you should be there and, you should be there be present over there, log in 30 minutes before so that if you're facing any issue, Praveen sir is there, he can solve that. Ensure you have a reliable internet connection with minimum 2 Mbps speed, approx 1.5 GB data will be required per day. Please check for a good data. So the slide is cutting.
Plan with your local service provider.
Yeah. So you need to make sure that you have a proper internet connection, and every day for everyday workshop, 1.5 GB data will be required. So you need to make sure that for the coming 4 days, you should have proper sufficient data pack if you are logging from your phone, or a good Wi-Fi connectivity, and sit near to your Wi-Fi or sit in an area where there's a proper internet coming so that you don't miss out on any topics. Next slide. Your attendance shall be monitored. So to gain a certificate, we would like to tell that we are going to monitor your attendance for the full day, that how much you're participating, what time you're logging in, and if there's there are some students who log in and then they just switch off and leave the meeting. So we will be monitoring that as well. We will be monitoring your presence, your alertness. There will be certain exercise and question answer rounds. So you need to be present all the time, and that's how your attendance will be marked, and with that you will get the certificate. Full attendance is must on all day for getting the certificate. So as I said, your to gain the certificate, your presence for 4 days is important. Choose a quiet and uninterrupted place to sit. So as we know that we are going to discuss some topics which are going to be little intense, and uh, for that you need to sit in an environment, assign a place to yourself for these 3.5 hours, so that you're sitting quietly in an uninterrupted environment, so that you can note down everything, you don't miss out on any topic that has been because many facilitators will come, and you need to sit in an environment where you are not getting disturbed. Keep a notebook, pen and water bottle with you. Please bring all your belongings, your water bottle, anything that you want to eat with you as well, notebook and pen, so that you don't get up and don't leave the meeting, because there are many students who switch on the meeting and they might roam around, but there are many important topics in the workshop that will be very, very necessary and beneficial to you. So you need to keep all of these things together and keep everything with you so that you don't have to move out each and every time. Ask your question in the chat and Q&A. So when the workshop will start tomorrow, please put down all your questions in the Q&A box. You will be seeing a Q&A box on your phone or on your laptop. So if any topic is going on, please put down all your questions that you need to ask the facilitator or the trainer in that particular section. Audio should be on mute. Your audio will be on mute as Praveen sir has already informed you. And in the meantime, if when there is a question answer round or something is happening, we will put you guys on. We will give you a chance to speak, else your audios will be on mute. Videos as and when required. Participate actively for the good learning outcome. So the workshop is a big success for us, and a lot of participants have been praising this workshop. So if you will participate, if you're serious enough to start your own business in the coming future, please participate actively, ask a lot of questions. We will try our best to address it, and there will be many facilitators, many experts coming and guiding you on the topics that will start from tomorrow. Please raise your hand by clicking on hand symbol to ask question. As you can see that in your mobile phone or on your laptop, there will be a hand raised question. If you need to ask any question, you can raise your hands and we shall call your name. Next slide. So there are some don'ts also. Please avoid messages like good morning, welcome, etc. in the chat box. As we can see, it creates a lot of disturbance, and for the trainers and facilitator, they get distracted. So please avoid messages in the chat box like good morning and welcome. Please stick to the workshop and the topics, as well as people on the WhatsApp group. We would request you to put down queries just related to the workshop, not anonymous message. We will be not entertaining that. So please don't put any message which is not related to the workshop. Avoid unnecessary breaks during the session. As I've told that, please keep all your belongings together. We will be giving you breaks, one short break and one lunch break during the workshop, so that we understand that we might need a break. So we will be providing you with that. So don't take unnecessary breaks in between. Don't be afraid to speak up. You can raise your hands. You can put your question in the Q&A box. Please don't be afraid to ask your questions, and we will be addressing it. So please don't be afraid. Clear all your doubts. Switch on the mic unless necessary. So don't switch on the mic unless necessary. So you guys already will be on mute. So if we'll put you on unmute, please don't don't switch on your videos or don't switch on your audios, so that the facilitators don't get distracted. Thank you. I guess that's it. Yeah, thank you. If any one of you has any query, you can please put it in the chat box right now or in the Q&A box.
Yeah, the main two things are, you have to join only with your mail link only, not by entering the meeting ID and passcode. Okay, if any of your friends not received mail, just please inform to them to call me. I will check their mail IDs, whether they have given wrong proper mail ID or wrong mail ID. If it is a one spelling mistake while registering, then they can't receive the mails. So they have to ensure. And if you join by with any others link, your attendance will not be recorded, and you won't get the certificate. And all the 4 days attendance is must for getting the certification. All the 4 days from 11 a.m. to 3:30. Not a 1 hour, 2 hour presence. Yeah. Now you can raise your questions. We will answer it.
There are a lot of students, for example, Akriti Srivastav, Anamika Vishwakarma. So I would request that person to not to share your link with any other person. So Anamika, you don't have to share your link with your friend. Tell that person to contact either Praveen sir or re-register again with the correct email ID. You don't have to share your link, otherwise your friend will not get the certificate. You might get the certificate, but your friends will not be getting the certificate, as their name will be not there. We cannot mark their attendance. We cannot tap their attendance as well. So I would request all of you to don't share your link with your friends. Don't do that. If any of your friend is facing any problem, you can contact Praveen sir or sir, maybe you can put down your number somewhere, because there are a lot of people saying that they are not there in the WhatsApp group.
Okay, I'll share. I'll write here. And one question is from Anjali, that if we have any of the doubt or query, can we ask it the time itself, or else we have to ask them later? So you can write your question in Q&A box, and the time being we can answer that question. The breaks and in the Q&A session we can answer that question. Mhm.
Can
We are
we?
having our online college classes also, how to attend both the classes at the same time. That you have to choose.
Yeah, that is completely up to you. That
That is completely up to you. But our policy is whoever attends all the sessions of all the 4 days, they only receives the certificate. Okay. So this is completely 16 hours workshop. So all 16 hours you have to present, because your attendance will be recorded with us. Okay. Then yeah, ma'am, I had got confirmation and my mail, but my contact number is not added to WhatsApp group. Okay. Please drop your mobile number. We can add in our groups. Yeah, you can pick up. I'll share my number.
someone is saying ID every day changes.
No, same ID for all the days.
Yeah,
That is a reminder mail only you receive.
yeah.
You can join by clicking any day's link, any day's mail.
Yeah, so suppose if you have got an email maybe yesterday or day after yesterday for this May for this trial meeting, you can log in with this particular link as well. But the Zoom will automatically send you a reminder mail, so that you don't miss out on the meeting, that it is at 11 o'clock. And but you can log in with any day's email ID. But what you have to make sure is that you're not sharing your ID, the link, with your friends.
So here are our contact details for technical issues. You can note down. If anybody have not received mail, just please call to me. I will check your mail ID and I'll resend your recent confirmation mail. And also, some people might get mail in their spam mail, so they have to check in spam also. Yeah. Any other queries?
I'm not able to find audio or unmute. So there is no, this is a webinar. You will not get an option of unmuting yourself. But if there's a possibility that where we are having a one-to-one conversation, maybe you can raise your hand by that time, and we shall let you talk. But this is a webinar. You will not get an opportunity to switch on your audios or but it will be an interactive session, that's for sure. You can definitely put your questions in the Q&A box, and while the session is going on, and if any speaker or trainer is coming, they will address the important questions at that particular time. And even if any one of yours question is getting unanswered, we will take it up after the session or even after the workshop.
There's one question, Pragya,
Yes,
which
ma'am.
says how to get the right direction for starting any business being totally inexperienced person. How to get funds to start my business, and how to understand how feasible our ideas is on practical ground, and how also can we predict the rate of success? Garima, this is what this whole workshop is all about. We are going to tell you in detail about how to start your own business. We have different speakers from all over the places. They are into business even after retirement, and even after doing their graduation, they have opened their own business. So we'll be sharing their experiences, and we'll be detailing you how we can fund our business, like if we are going for a bigger one or a smaller one, how we can be funding our business, how we can start, what all things are required. This is what entirely this workshop is all about. So don't worry, your queries will be solved in this 4-day session of how to start your business. I hope you got your answer, Garima. Yeah, over to you, Pragya.
Yeah, thank you. So, how many hours the workshop is going on so that we can manage the college schedule? Workshop will start at 11 o'clock till 3:30 p.m. So please, for the 4 days only, and so please try and make your schedule in a manner that you'll be able to attend this workshop. To gain the certificate, your presence is very important. We stick by our rules as well. So please manage your college schedule for the 4 coming days. We will start our workshop dot by 11 tomorrow. Should we use the certificate in our resume? You can, definitely you can. It will show as your experience and knowledge that you have gained in this workshop regarding the topics. Praveen sir, someone is asking that if someone new wants to register.
Yeah, they can register. After this
They
session,
can?
we'll open the registration process. They can register.
Yeah. So so as Praveen sir has informed that they will open the registration. So if your friends wants to re-register, please make sure that you're putting the right and correct email ID. Praveen sir has shared his number. If you're still facing any problem, please call them and solve your issue today itself so that you don't face any problem tomorrow. Time for breaks, like how much minute the break will be provided to us. So the break, there will be 2 breaks given to you, we will be giving. One will be at 12:30 till 12:40, a 10-minute break, and after that we will be giving you half an hour break at 1:30 till 2. That will be is going to be your lunch break. So please tell your mothers, as I'm assuming all of you will be at home. Please tell your mom or sister, anyone, to prepare the lunch by 1:30 so that you have it in that half an hour and continue with the workshop. Those who have registered and got the link through mail but are not in WhatsApp group, does this make any difference? Praveen sir?
It does make a difference, Pragya, because we are sending all the exercises on the mail as well as a WhatsApp group. Whatever, like
Yeah.
you remember, we have been sending it to WhatsApp group. So you have to be there in the WhatsApp group because all the updates we are giving in WhatsApp group. So it does make a difference. You will be added. Don't worry. You will be just pass on your number. You'll be added in the WhatsApp group made by our team.
Yeah. So they should put down their number in the chat box. Should I tell them?
Yeah, they can leave their numbers in the chat box, and
So those
our
of
technical
you,
team will
yeah,
do
so
the
those
next.
of you who are not there in the WhatsApp group, please put your number with your name so that it's easier for them to add you. And there's someone asking that So registration is closed. It might be showing you right now, but after this trial session, as Praveen sir has informed, he will open the registration, and you can tell your colleagues, fellow colleagues, as I have read that other students from other college can join. They can also register themselves. After this trial workshop, we will open the registration form again. So don't worry. Please, those of you who are not there in the WhatsApp group, please write your number and your name so that it's easier for the faculty to add you.
Those are already been added. Please don't pass your numbers. I can see a lot of numbers coming up. Those who are not there in the WhatsApp group, they only should share their numbers.
Yeah. Someone is saying, I'm added in the WhatsApp group but not receiving any mail. Your email ID must be wrong. That's why you're not receiving mail. And please check your spam also. There could be a chances that if your email ID is right, it might have gone to the spam box. So please check your spam box also. When I click on link send on email, it doesn't open in browser, and if opened from Google ID and passcode, it is shown then what I'm supposed to do. I'm not getting your question. Can you please rewrite the question, that what problem exactly you are facing? So a lot of you are asking, the same link will the today's link will be there for all the rest of the 4 days. It is just that you will be receiving email every day. That is going to be a reminder mail, but you can log in through by any of the mails. Every day you're going to receive a email regarding the workshop. That is going to be a reminder mail. You can click on the link and join the workshop, but the same link will be there, and it is going to be link. Suppose if you are getting your link, that is going to be your link. If you're going to join, then your name will be there. If you're going to pass it on to your friends, then your friend, suppose your friend's name is Akshat, but Akshat name will be visible by your name. So that is going to create confusion, and that particular person, Akshat, will not receive the certificate. So you need to make sure that you're going to you have to log in from your email ID, not from anyone else, to have that certificate.
Mankriti has raised a question, ma'am. If due to network problems our side meeting gets interrupted, would there be a problem in getting a certificate? Mankriti, as Pragya has told you earlier also, we are registering our technical team is registering your attendance daily. And daily you might not be having network problems. It's generally off and on. So your attendance, when you have logged in, your attendance is already registered, and whatever due to network problems you are missing out the session, that as it is we do keep sending updating the things on WhatsApp group, even the videos and all which is relevant to you people, we always send to the through mail or WhatsApp, so no need not worry about that. But regarding the certificate, yes, we all say, we every time say that 4 days attendance is compulsory, so you have to log in, as whole day the network issues will not be there. It just off and on you have the problems, that's perfectly fine. There won't be any issues, but try to sit as Pragya ma'am has already told you, you have to see to it that your network connection is apt, take a good bandwidth, and you have to be at a place where you can have a proper access to the net.
So Gauri Kasturkar is writing that, ma'am, my email was utterly correct and I've searched plethora of times in my mail, but there isn't any. So Gauri, in that case, I will suggest you to please talk to Praveen sir and address your issue. He will be able to resolve it. So Praveen sir and Sachin sir, they have given their number. So please contact them for any issue if you're facing. If you have put your right email ID, so please contact them. When will we get the certificate? So if you have completed all 4 days of workshop, you will receive your certificates on your email ID. That's why your email ID is so important. So because you will be receiving your everyday link, I'm sorry, your reminder mail on that, and even we will be sent, it's going to be a e-certificate, so that's why your email ID is so important, so that we will be giving it your certificate, sending your certificate in a day or two on that email ID. That's why your email ID, correct email ID, is so important.
Session starts from tomorrow. That's what they are asking. Is this, the session starts? Yes, it starts from tomorrow, 11 a.m. All the activities we have to perform through chat box and question answers box. See, you whatever the questions queries you have to put your questions queries into the chat box, and try to put it in Q&A box, because QAV, all the speakers and all the faculty members generally check Q&A box, wherein all the queries are there, and we answer accordingly. So try to do it, and all the activities which are there, like you will be having few activities, exercises, we'll be WhatsApping you. That's going to be your homework, which you have to do it at home, and then next day you have to show it to us, and you have to send an email as well. So that's how the things work.
So Tamanna is asked, Tamma Akhilan, I'm sorry if I'm pronouncing your name not rightly. One second.
What was the question, Pragya? Just ask the question.
Yeah, and so it just ran away. One second, I'm just getting back on that. Ma'am, I didn't have a question. I have a question. Like, one of my friend didn't got the email. So she asked me the ID and password, and is that a problem? I thought that ID and code of Zoom meeting is common for everyone. No, it is not common for everyone. You don't have to share your ID, password, your link to your friend. If they are facing any problem, you just have to tell them to contact Praveen sir or Sachin sir in that case. I have received 2 emails, one on the 7th September and one of them on the 2nd. I have joined the trial session with the previous one. Would that be a problem? No, I guess please log in with the 2nd September ID, and you can join. I think there will be no problem until unless you are receiving it on your particular email ID. There is no issue. It could be a reminder mail. Shrestha Swankara is asking, I had already shared and someone has joined, just one person. What should I do now, ma'am? So for tomorrow, you have to make sure that you're not sharing your email ID, and please tell your friend to maybe re-register again, as we will be opening the registration platform again after this workshop. So they can re-register themselves again, or if they have done it and have put the right email ID, please tell them to contact Praveen sir and resolve this issue then and there. Can anyone share registration link? Praveen sir?
I think call Praveen sir. I'll be doing it.
So I also have a question that how will they get to know about the registration link? Like some of them are asking that can anyone share registration link? I think Praveen sir will answer that for us.
He sent the link, I think. No, it's from.
Yeah. So we will open the portal after
Yeah,
this.
Pragya.
Yeah. So sir, someone is asking that how can anyone share the registration link?
See, if they have already shared, but nobody has to use. If they use, they lose the process of certification.
So how will if they some of them were asking that can anyone else can register themselves stuff like that. So how
That's not effect to them because they will receive their attendance will be recorded. But whoever attended with that link, their attendance will not be recorded.
okay no but how, if they want to pass on if they want anyone else to join the workshop as we will be opening the portal after this workshop trial. If anyone wants to re-register themselves for the workshop, how should they proceed further?
Same. They have to go that registration link.
Okay. So I guess someone has shared the. Can we leave if no doubts? Yes, you can, I guess, if you have registered perfectly and so you can, I guess.
There's one question, Praveen sir, you need to address. We are 10 people from one place. So we want to set a projector. Can we do like?
Only one person will receive the certificate.
Okay, same as like, you know.
Yes. Because the attendance will be recorded through their mail IDs only.
One is asking, is it only for girls? No, it's not only for girls. Whosoever wants to start their own business, they are most welcome for this workshop. It's for all. They want to know timings. Timing starts from 11 a.m. till 3:30 p.m.
Okay. Is there any other questions apart from this?
One more question, sir. Ma'am, if we get disconnected during the class due to my reason, will we be permitted to join again? Yes, you can join
Yes,
again.
we will give a half an hour relaxation on every day. Okay. If you are not present by half an hour, then it is also okay with us. You can you are eligible for certification.
Will you be sharing recording? Yes, we will be sharing recording as well.
See, we will share. We will give a live streaming in Facebook also. Okay. Whoever interested, they can see. But whoever watches Facebook, they can't receive the certificate.
Yeah.
Okay.
That lives also get saved, right?
Yeah. That lives also you can save.
So if anyone wants to, again want
Later you want to see, then
recap.
you can see.
Yeah. That will the live will be saved, and you can keep refreshing yourself with the content.
I think all the queries have been solved till now.
Yeah.
No more queries are there.
Okay, we will save this complete trial session video in our WhatsApp groups. If any of your friends missed, they can watch it there. Okay.
So I will just sum up with the
And
basic.
just till I'm repeating that to whoever not received the mail, just please call to me or Sachin. We will verify your mail ID if you are provided correct or not. And also please inform to all. It might be in a spam mail also. So they have to check in spam also. Okay. Sometimes it may be when it may goes to spam mail. So please check in your spam mail and inbox. If not received, then please call to me. Call to us.
I think we have answered almost every question. The trial in the WhatsApp group, sir will be sending you this trial meeting recording. And if you have any query, please call Praveen sir or Sachin sir and solve the issue today itself. And tomorrow we will start workshop dot at 11. So we would request you to please log in at least by 10:30 for sure. And we will see you and start for the workshop, I think. So we can end, right?
प्रज्ञा, किसी का क्वेश्चन है कि हम फिर से ज्वाइन हो सकते हैं क्या रजिस्ट्रेशन के थ्रू?
Sorry?
रजिस्ट्रेशन ओपन है क्या? वो क्वेश्चन आ रहा है बार बार.
After this
After
session,
this
we'll open
workshop.
this, sir. Open the registration link.
प्लीज क्लियर कर दीजिए इसको, ये बहुत सारे क्वेश्चन है.
Yeah.
So we will open the registration link again after this workshop. Someone has shared the registration link in the chat box itself, and sir might send you in the WhatsApp group, and you can share it with your friends if they want to register any other person. If anyone is facing any issue and if they haven't registered with the correct email ID, maybe you can also re-register yourself with the correct email ID, and please log in with that particular email ID every day. Even your Zoom should be logged in with that email ID, so that we can your attendance will be monitored in that manner. So your correct email ID is extremely important for the attendance and for the certificates as well. So we will see you all tomorrow at 10:30, and we will start workshop dot by 11. So please be present, and we are excited to see you all tomorrow.